Hi, I'm Jeff Cialetti, Editor-in-Chief of Craft Spirits Magazine, and welcome to this edition of Craft Spirits TV. As part of ACSA's 10th anniversary celebrations throughout 2023, we designated April as Spring Cocktail Month, where we invited members to showcase their spring-themed cocktails. And to close out the month and serve as a bit of a grand finale, we asked Carver Distillery's Gina Holman, newly elected president of ACSA's Board of Directors, to demo one of her favorites.
Hey everybody, it's Gina from Carver Distillery celebrating springtime cocktails. We are going to make a delicious Aquavit Gimlet using our Carver Aquavit, 2 ounces, and then 1 ounce of our refreshing rhubarb, basil, and mint syrup, 1 ounce freshly squeezed lime juice. Add some ice to our shaker. We're gonna shake that up, chill her down, about 20 seconds there to get some dilution and get all those flavors melded together. This is such a delicious cocktail. I can't wait for you to taste it. Now, one thing that we are going to do, you might be a little bit shocked about this, we're gonna add 1 little pinch of sea salt, and then we are going to find really beautiful ice. Here's an ice sphere, and we're going to drain this, do some straining in our elegant low ball there, and then we are going to put in 1 little wheel of lime, fresh basil, and there is springtime in a glass.
Thank you, Gina. And even though April has come to a close, this is just the beginning of our cocktail content here on Craft Spirits TV. We invite all of you to send your own cocktail demos so we can showcase them for our audience. And until next time, I'm Jeff Cialetti, Editor-in-Chief of Craft Spirits Magazine, and this has been Craft Spirits TV.